Hello, welcome in Belgium. It's Sunday the 13th of March and today I cleaned my terrace, my pavement. I opened my bar again, my tropical bar, my tiki bar. So it survived the winter, it survived the wind, and now it's ready to be opened as soon as the weather is better and warmer, of course. A lot of wind today, by the way. So to the right you see a space where I put my bin. So it's hidden. And I added some wood. 7x7 with lights and also with a climber, but I don't know what climber yet. That's a princeps in the ground. So I made two borders previous year. These are my gold amadines. They also feel the spring. So they are outside now. So I made something new containing Agave Victoria Regina. There's this one. Then to the right you will see the Trinax campestris. And behind that the Puya Berteroniana. Then in the middle the Cordyline Australis Red Star. To the right, you see that. And then again a Trinax campestris and the Aloe polyphylla. So we will see this year what it will bring, but it's hot place on the terrace, and it's also sandy soil, so need to have a little bit painted. But then my Cyatheas, Cupri and Dixonia. Then you see the two borders and my pavement now cleaned as far as I could, and of course my gold amadines eating. That's all they can do. So here I will plant some flowers this year in the tray, and it will be gazania, I think. Behind is those are the acapanthus, blue and white. Some carnivorous plants. It's still too early to plant out. And my bees are coming now, so nice to see that. Took a while, but now they are laying eggs, have laid their eggs in the wood. Brasiliopsis mitis, and to the left some lupines I planted out, and here are three princeps family plants. The first one is a hybrid Wagnerianus crossed with princeps, so the real princeps, not the hybrid princeps. It's this one. Then we have the real princeps. And to the right we have the hybrid princeps. So that's the cross nova with the princeps. Doing not well. So my pathway is almost finished now. So this is the Brasiliopsis mitis again. Don't know if I will leave it there. We will see. And this is the pathway with the bananas. And in front of my greenhouse you will see I have some Achium pininana, but I still have to look for a place to put them in. That's all. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Bye.